Good morning, YouTube. This is Granny B from Fort Smith, Arkansas. And I got the box of seeds. There's a box going around where people can change out some seeds, and I was thrilled to get it. And so I'm going to tell you about it if you don't already know. But they send this box around, and you can add your own little letter in here and say anything you want to say. Somebody even suggested that your children can draw a picture and put in here. But anyway, I've got it. I've gone through it, and I added my own little seeds to it. And I added something too. There's lots of different ways to keep your seeds organized, and if you don't have them organized, then you never know what you have. So I wanted to show you what I do with mine. I got a box that's the size of these little packages you used to get your photographs in. Remember those? Your photos and your negatives. And so I put mine in a box like this, and I've got them listed from A to Z. And so, for example, in this little index, ABC, I've got my basil, cabbage, collards, celery, corn, cucumbers. So you get the idea. And then that way I can see what I have, and it's convenient. If I wanted tomatoes, I would go back here to my tea and pull out and see what I had for tomatoes. There, I've got rabbit tobacco, that's from Papa Pepper, and Cherokee purple tomatoes, and there's turnips, purple top turnips. Anyway, that's how I do mine. You might want to do something like that too if you have a bunch of those little folders. So I included one, and I put some of the seeds in here.
Yeah, get on with it.
You can tell Papa Bruce is feeling better. Oh my goodness. But anyway, so I put some seeds in there too, and I hope you like the box when it comes to you. To get on the list of this box, just get a hold of Rob at Sapper Gardener or S.A. on Family Gardens. And so that's what I do with mine. Of course, one of these days I'll outgrow this box, but it won't be too long. And so here's the seeds. I'll be sending them out tomorrow, and I just thank you very much for everybody continuing to watch our videos. When we took about 2 months off without doing a video, I was almost afraid to do another video. It seemed like I had been gone so long that I didn't. You get to doubting. You get to doubting whether what you're doing is making any difference in anyone's life. But after I put my first video back on again, I got so many welcome back comments, and wishing Papa Bruce, continued good health. And as you can tell, he's feeling his oats again. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.